So, today I went to the Starbucks to review one of their croissants. And I gotta say, it was a little flakier than I thought it was gonna be, but it didn't have enough butter on it. I would say it's not as good as the ones that Jimmy's mom makes, but I would give it 4 out of 5 llamas. Would recommend, but not if you're craving true art. And that completes my croissant review.